Today's lesson exercise 10.3. If the integrand is the product of a function of x to the power n and x to the power n minus 1, then the integration is done by substituting x to the power n equal z. Now for example, exercise 10.3. Now first rule. Rule 1. If the integrand is the product of a function of x to the power n and x to the power n minus 1, then the integration is done by substituting x to the power n is equal z. Example, find integration x cube e to the power x to the power 4 d of x. Now look at this here, x to the power n and x to the power n minus 1. These two function product. Here power is, one is x to the power n, another is n minus 1. That is, their difference will be 1. N and another one is n minus 1. Let solution. Let here x to the power done by substituting x to the power n. For these two, n is greater than n minus 1. N is greater than n minus 1. Now in this math, here function x cube and x to the power 4. Here x to the power 4 is greater than x cube. Therefore let x to the power 4 is equal z. Now at first derivative, 4x cube dx is equal dz, because we know d by dx x to the power n. Here power n, n into x to the power n minus 1. Therefore 4 into x to the power 4 minus 1, that is x cube, implies that x cube dx is equal 1 by 4 dz. Therefore given question, x cube e to the power x to the power 4 d of x is equal. Now this x cube and dx, x cube into dx is equal 1 by 4 d of z. 1 by 4 integration d of z, replace of x cube and dx. X cube dx is equal 1 by 4 dz. Therefore x cube dx is equal 1 by 4 d of z. Now e to the power x to the power 4 e to the power, and we let x to the power 4 is equal z. That means e to the power z. Now 1 by 4 integration of e to the power z is e to the power z. Now write down e to the power z plus c. 1 by 4 e to the power, the given math here variable is x, so we write down the value of z. Z is equal x to the power 4, x to the power 4 plus c. This is the answer. Now rule 2. Rule 2. If the integrand is the product of a function of any index and its derivative, then the integrand or integration can be done by substituting z for the function. Again I repeat it, if the integrand is the product of a function of any index, that means here index of the function is any number and its derivative, and it is product of its derivative, then the integration can be done by substituting z for the function. Now we give the example. Now example 2. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. হ্যাঁ নাম্বার তো অ্যাড করে দিস। হ্যাঁ 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 ঠিক আছে, আচ্ছা ওকে ঠিক আছে ওকে। Now example 2, find integration sin square x cos x dx. Now here sin x is the function and its index is 2, and integration of sin x is cos x. We know integration of sin x is cos x, therefore the function is sin x and its derivative is cos x, and they are the product here. Now solution. And in this case we know the rule, solve by substituting z for the function. Z for the function, here function is sin x, therefore let sin x is equal z. Now derivative on both sides, sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x, dx is equal dz, therefore integration sin square x into cos x dx is equal integration, now sin x equals z, therefore sin square x is equal z square, and cos x dx. Cos x dx. Now cos x dx is equal dz. Here z square, that means z cube by 3 plus constant c. Now we put the value of z. Z is equal sin x. Therefore sin cube x by 3 plus c. This is the answer. In this exercise, we learned some formula. One number, integration of f prime x by f of x dx is equal ln of fx plus c. Now, if the derivative of numerator is equal to denominator, then its integration will be ln of numerator plus constant. Again I repeat it. Here function of fx and its derivative, that means first derivative f prime x integration dx is equal ln of fx. That means if any fractional integration derivative of numerator is equal to denominator, then its integration will be ln of numerator plus constant c. Now formula 2. Integration of f prime x d of x root f of x. In these types, in the numerator root over f of x. Here function is f of x and its derivative is f prime x dx. F prime x dx. In this case, answer will be ln 2 root f of x plus c. Listen, in these two difference, in the numerator here there is no root over, here there is a root. If root of numerator, then the derivative of f of x is equal to denominator, then its answer will be 2 into root of fx plus c. Now page 3. Some standard integral. Some standard integral one number, integration of dx by a square plus x square is equal 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now 2. Integration of dx by 1 plus x square that is tan inverse x plus c. You say if a equal 1, if a equal 1, then 1 square is equal to 1, 1 by 1, that means 1, tan inverse x by 1 is equal x plus c. Now 3 number, integration of dx by root over a square root over a square minus x square is equal sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a plus c. 4 number, if integration of instead of a is 1, then 1 minus x square, then sin inverse x plus c. If value of a is 1, then x by 1, that is x. No. 5 number, integration of x square minus a square is equal 1 by 2a ln of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. And 6 number, integration of dx by a square minus x square 1 by 2a ln of a plus x by a minus x plus c. X plus, here you see the difference of these two formula 5 and 6. Here variable square minus constant square, then this part is same 1 by 2 ln 1 by 2 ln. If variable is front, then x minus a by x plus a. If constant is first, then a plus x by a minus x. Now we solve the exercise maths of this exercise. Now open your book and exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.3, question number 1. 1 of 1. Here x e to the power x square dx. We apply the first rule. Here product of the function x to the power n and n minus 1. Here x to the power n is x square and n minus 1, that is x. Let x square is equal z, implies that 2x dx is equal dz. Now in the question x dx, therefore x dx. Again you see the question here, integration x e to the power x square dx. Here we get 2x dx. Now we need to x dx, value of x dx. So which side sense 2, 1 by 2 dz. I put the value. Therefore integration x e to the power x square d of x is equal. Now you see the value of x dx, x dx, x dx, half dz. Now integration sign 1 by 2 dz. X dx is equal half dz, half dz. Integration sign. Now e to the power x square is equal z. Now we know integration and differentiation of e to the power x is same. Now e to the power z, that is e to the power z plus c. Now half e to the power, the value of z is x square plus c. This is the answer. Now 2 number, try yourself. Then 2 numbers, integration 2x 1 plus x square by dx. Let 1 plus x square is equal z. Now derivative of 1, that means constant, is equal 0. Now 0 plus 2x dx is equal dz. That is 2x dx is equal dz. Therefore integration here 2x dx is equal d of z, and 1 plus x square equal z. Here denominator is 2x dx and 2x dx is equal dz, and numerator is 1 plus x square, and value of 1 plus x square is equal z. Therefore 1 by z dz. Now 1 by z, we know the formula. Integration of 1 by x is equal ln x, ln of here z, that means 1 by z plus c. Now the value of z ln of 1 plus x square plus c. This is the answer. Now question number 3, integration sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. Let 1 plus cos x is equal z. Now derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of cos x is equal minus sin x, minus sin x dx is equal dz. Therefore, integration of sin x 1 plus cos x dx is equal, here look at, minus sin x dx is equal dz. Therefore, sin x dx is equal minus dz. Sin x dx is equal minus dz, and the numerator is 1 plus cos x and its value is z, 1 by z. Now minus, previous math we learned the integration of 1 by x, that means ln of x. Here 1 by z, that means ln of z. Here minus ln z plus c, minus ln 1 plus cos x plus c. The answer. Now another method, alternate. Now you see the formula. This formula, go back page 2. You go to the first formula. If the derivative of numerator is equal denominator, then its integration will be ln of numerator plus c. Again, if the derivative of numerator is equal to denominator, then its integration will be ln of numerator plus c. Now in this maths, integration sin x by 1 plus cos x dx, we try to derivative of numerator is equal to denominator. Here derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of cos x is equal minus sin x, equal to minus sin x, but here plus sin. Now integration, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, we give minus sin x, 1 plus cos x dx, but in the given question there is no minus symbol. For balance we give in the front side minus, so minus minus plus, that is sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. Now you calculate it, the derivative of 1 plus cos x, 1 is 0, cos x is minus sin x, that means derivative of numerator is equal, derivative of numerator is equal to denominator. Derivative of 1 plus cos x is equal minus sin x. So we apply this first formula, integration of fx f prime x dx ln of numerator is equal minus ln of numerator, that means 1 plus cos x plus c. This is the answer. Now in a question, if we apply this formula, then we are trying to the derivative of numerator is equal to denominator, then we can easily find out its answer. Similarly, question number 4, integration e to the power x minus e to the power minus 6 is equal e to the power x plus e to the power minus 6 e to the power minus 6 d of x is equal. Now we apply this formula. We apply this formula in question number 4. Look at the given numerator is e to the power x plus e to the power minus 6. Now we know derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x, and derivative of e to the power minus x is equal minus e to the power minus 6. d by dx e to the power x is equal e to the power x, and e to the power minus x, that is here power is minus 1, minus e to the power minus x, that is derivative of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x is equal this e to the power x, and e to the power minus x is equal minus e to the power minus x, that is derivative of numerator, and this is the denominator. We get the derivative of numerator is equal to denominator, so its result ln of numerator e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus c. Or you solve by this method. At first you suppose e to the power x plus 1 by e to the power minus x is equal z. Then you get e to the power x minus e to the power minus x is equal dz. Then you put the value and get the result. Now page 7. Question number 5. Integration cos square x sin x dx. And this is the rule 2. If product of any function and its index is any number and multiply its derivative, that is here cos square x is the function and sin x dx. Now let cos x is equal z. We solve this by the second rule. Now cos x, differentiation of cos x is equal minus sin x dx is equal dz. Therefore integration cos square x into sin x dx is equal, we know the value of minus sin x dx equal dz. Therefore sin x dx is equal minus dz. The value of sin x dx is equal minus dz, and the value of cos x equals z. Therefore z square dz. Now minus z cube by 3 plus c. This is the first formula. Now minus 1/3 z is equal cos x. Cos cube x plus c. Sixth number, same as 1 1. Seven, one number, same as 5 number. Now question number 7 2. 7 integration of sin to the power 5x dx. Now integration sin to the power 4x into sin x dx. Now we can write down sin to the power 4x, that means sin square x whole square into sin x d of x. Now sin square x is equal 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x whole square into sin x dx integration. Now is equal, let cos x equal z. Therefore minus sin x dx is equal dz. Therefore minus sin x dx is equal dz. Now integration 1 minus value of cos x is equal z. 1 minus z square